In this video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new plan in Microsoft Planner. In order to do that, first head over to planner.cloud.microsoft and you should be able to see this. So you can sign in from in there. So you need to have a Microsoft account in order to do this. So proceed to click onto this sign in right here and proceed to sign in. Now here is my actual planner. In order to create a new plan, what you can do is you can proceed to click on this My Plans option that you can see on your left sidebar. Once you're in there, next thing you need to do is to proceed to click onto this new plan that we can see into this case. So proceed to click on this. From in there, choose what kind of planner you want to create. So we have different types and templates. You can choose from basic template or also these templates for simple plan, project management, software development, business plan, employee onboarding, and you can also click on the see all templates option in order to see all the available templates. So in our case, let's see all of the templates that we can do. You can see right here the templates for a lot of options that we can do ourselves. So just choose right here which one and click onto this option in order to change its particular status. You can see its benefits and the likes. From in there, click onto this use template in order to use that particular template that you have chosen. Into this case, proceed to input right here the name of your template or your new planner. So for example, let's just name it as it is a simple plan. Then click onto this create option that you can see into this part. This will create our plan, so just wait for this to finish and we should be able to see it right here. As you can see, we already have this backlogs in progress, blocked options, and the likes. So you can proceed to actually edit it and delete specific things that we have on our planner and add new ones or add new tasks, add new lists, and add new buckets. You can also explore other views available for this. So that's how you create a new plan in Microsoft Planner. Hope we helped.